welcome back to Fresher Bee. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about a latest off-campus placement opportunity from Wipro. So in this video, we will discuss about all the things one should know before applying for this opportunity from Wipro. So we will discuss all the things such as the job title, about the job description, the work location, about the compensation they are offering to all the candidates, and we'll talk about the qualification which is required and how is the selection process going to be and what stipend they are offering, about the educational qualifications and about the company. So we'll discuss about all these things in a detailed manner. So please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea over this opportunity from Wipro. So before moving forward with the today's video, so let me tell you about Fresher Bee. So in Fresher Bee, I make videos on all the latest off-campus placement opportunities from various MNCs, and I also make videos on the recruitment process of various MNCs and videos regarding the probable questions one can face in the interviews. So I make these kind of videos. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then please I request you all to subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the latest updates regarding the videos that I will upload on Freshobi. So let's move forward with the today's video. Wipro has announced their WILP, that is Work Integrated Learning Program, for the year 2021. So we will discuss about all the things one should know about this program by Wipro. So Wipro Work Integrated Learning Program is a unique learning integrated program which offers BCA and BSc students a chance to build a remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing their higher education in MTech from a premier educational institution in India, which will be completely sponsored by Wipro. So Wipro is giving a chance to all the BSc and BCA grads to have a wonderful career with Wipro while pursuing the higher education, that is MTech, from a premier educational institution in India that will be completely sponsored by Wipro. So this is a very good opportunity for all the BSc and BCA students. So talking about the eligibility criteria, so very firstly we'll talk about the education the candidate should have. So he or she should be 10th and 12th passed. So there is no percentage criteria for 10th and 12th. So those who are passed in 10th and 12th are eligible. And talking about the graduation percentage, so a 60% or CGPA and above is applicable for this opportunity, and year of passing should be 2021. So this program is only for all the graduates from 2021 batch. And talking about the selection process, so every eligible candidate must go through below online assessment details appended for your reference. So very firstly they'll conduct an online assessment which will be having 80 minutes. So in aptitude test there will be total 3 sections like verbal, analytical and quantitative, and each section has 20 minutes and 20 questions each. And next they'll conduct a written communication test. For the time duration for the same is 20 minutes, and upon selection in the online assessment, candidate will be required to go through a technical interview followed by a HR interview. So those who clear the online assessment test, they will conduct the technical interview followed by the HR interview. So candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in last 3 months are not eligible for this opportunity, and it will be solely be at the discretion of Wipro to permit restrict participation of any candidate, whether eligible or not, in the selection process of WILP. And the last date to apply for this opportunity is 22nd of May. So I will request you all to apply ASAP, and online assessment will be informed via registered email ID later. So this is just a disclaimer. So that's the selection process. So next I will show how one can apply for this opportunity. So for applying, I will put the link for this website in the description box of the video, so you can go and visit that link and go through all this information and click here on the apply now tab here. So after clicking here, you will be redirected to the next official Wipro careers page. So here you can see event phase 2 WILP hiring for the year 2021, and here they have given information related to the same, so which we have already seen. So we'll just go through the qualification and other criteria and the stipend too. So talking about the qualification, so Bachelor of Computer Application, that is BCA, and Bachelor of Science, and the eligibility streams in the science are like computer science, IT, mathematics, statistics, and electronics and physics. So these are the streams in BSc which are eligible. And talking about the other criteria they have mentioned here, so the candidate should have mandatory.
So talking about the other criteria, so mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one subject in graduation, and business maths and applied maths will not be considered as core mathematics in graduation. Max of 3 years of educational gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation. No gaps are allowed in graduation. Graduation should be completed within 3 years. And next is education should be regular full-time only in 10th, 12th and graduation recognized by the central/state government of India. And all backlogs need to be cleared at the time of selection process. They will not accept any kind of backlog during the selection process. And the candidate should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card in
the event of holding a passport of any other country. And the candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. To all the candidates who will be finally selected. So for the first year the stipend will be around 15,000, and in second year they are offering 17,000 of stipend, and in third year they will offer 19,000 of stipend, and in the fourth year they will give you a stipend of 23,000. So talking about the service agreement, so on joining candidates would be required to sign a service agreement for 16 months, so that is around 5 years. So once you are finally selected for this opportunity by Wipro, you will have to sign a service agreement of 5 years. So next information, we have just gone through all this information in the previous video. So if you are willing to apply for this opportunity and you are so after going through all this information, if you are willing to apply for this opportunity, just click here on the apply tab here. And after clicking here, you will be redirected to this page. So here you have to mention your email ID. So after putting the email ID, just click here on the next tab, you can see.
So once you click on the next button, you will see a page like this. So here you have to fill all the information they will ask you to fill. So very firstly you will have to connect your account here, like you can connect any of your account like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn or Microsoft. So you have to connect any one of the account here. So then you have to upload your CV. Make sure the max size of CV should be 5 MB, and you have to upload from any of these 4 options given here, like
your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox or
OneDrive. So next you have to upload
your photo with white background, and next if you already have an account here in Wipro, then there isn't any need to create a login. But if you are new to the Wipro, then you will have to create a login by putting your login, your password, and re-enter the password. For login you can put your email ID, and next you will have to fill information such as your salutation, your first name, middle name, Aadhaar, last name. And next you will have to put your email ID, your primary mobile number, your secondary mobile number. Then you have to fill your address and your DOB, your identity type, your identity number. In identity type you can put any like your Aadhaar number, driving license, PAN number, passport, voter ID, and the number for the same. And next you have to fill your educational details like your class 10 name of school, class 10 year of passing, class 10 registration number, class 10 registration state, and your CGPA. And similar you have to fill for your 12th also. And once you are done with filling all this information, just put the time zone here, and finally just click on the submit profile. So after clicking on the submit profile, you are done with the application process. So in this way you can apply for this opportunity from Wipro. So once you are done with the application, so all the further things they will mail you accordingly, like about the test schedules and dates and all, so they will mail you all the things in your email id. So in this way we saw complete information about Wipro WILP program. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to share this video with your fellow friends who are looking for such opportunities. And if you come across any type of queries, then please mention all the queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all the queries ASAP. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I come up with this kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please subscribe to the channel, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.